Hello everyone, welcome to Manwar Education. So this video is all about PhD versus B.Ed. So in this video we will discuss what you should pursue, that is PhD or B.Ed, and why you should pursue. Okay, so this is also a very important point. Now before we proceed ahead, we have launched a crash course batch for Maharashtra B.Ed CET. So in this crash course batch, you will get live classes, books, shortcut tricks, doubt classes, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made where all the queries of yours will be solved, and 10,000 question for practice purpose and mentorship by our exam mentors. Prepare with us for Maharashtra B.Ed CET for 2021 and 22. So our crash course batches are launched from July onwards. So book your seat now, call on 8828581455. You can also visit to our website manwaredu.com/B.Ed entrance. Now let us begin and see what are the key points for PhD. Now one of the most important and recent news has came. PhD is going to be mandatory for assistant professor direct recruitment from 1st July 2021 in Indian University. Okay, now if you are pursuing PhD, then it may take 3 years और ज़्यादा भी लग सकता है. And before PhD, you need to clear NET exam. So for enrollment in PhD, NET exam should be clear. Okay, चाहे वो लेक्चरशिप के लिए हो या फिर JRF के लिए, you should clear NET exam. Then only you are able to get admission in PhD. Now NET exam, it is also a very difficult exam, and इसको भी करने के लिए it takes time, and after that you will do 3 years of PhD. So this is the one of the most problematic situation with PhD. आपको NET exam देना है and उसके बाद PhD करनी है. So around it takes 5 years, and after that you will do jobs. So after your post graduation, if you have completed post graduation in the age of 23, then plus 5 years अगर आप add कर लो, so 28 years. Okay, so this is at the age of 28 you may get job in degree college for teaching. Okay, so this is the entire scenario with PhD. Now let us discuss key points for B.Ed. 2 years of B.Ed course is there. Okay, now through B.Ed direct entry in school and junior college. Yes, अगर आपने BSc किया है प्लस अगर आप B.Ed करते हैं, okay, you will get job in school easily. Okay, if you are MSc plus आपने B.Ed किया है, you will get job in schools and junior college. Okay, so this is the advantage of B.Ed. If you have completed your graduation at the age of 21 plus 2 years of B.Ed, so how much it is? 23 years में you can get job. If you are masters, then 23 plus 2 at the age of 25 you are fully eligible to get job in school as well as in junior college. But with respect to PhD, it is 28 years, so 3 years extra it is going. And one more thing, महाराष्ट्र B.Ed CET का ऑलरेडी फॉर्म आउट हो चुका है. यू कैन फिल दैट फॉर्म, स्टेप बाय स्टेप फॉर्म फिलिंग वीडियोज वी हैव ऑल्सो मेड, and you can prepare with us for B.Ed CET examination. We are expecting your exam in the month of August. If you have certain years of experience in teaching field, then you can easily get job in government school and international school where you will get good amount of salary. Okay, so this is the advantage of pursuing B.Ed. So opportunities we will also see after PhD and after B.Ed. So what are the things you can get easily after PhD and what are the things you can get easily after B.Ed. So let us discuss first about, so after PhD you will become assistant professor. So your qualification required is MSc plus NET and plus PhD. This much amount of things is required. After certain years of experience you will be promoted as associate professor, and then finally you will become professor. So this is the hierarchy to become a professor. Now if I talk about B.Ed, then 12th plus D.Ed, diploma in education, then you can be a primary teacher. So if you have graduation, that is BSc, BCom or BA plus B.Ed, then you can be a trained graduate teacher. So from 6th standard to 8th standard you can teach, and after that PGT teacher. So you can teach 9th standard to 12th standard. PGT teacher is postgraduate teacher. So this is the opportunities after pursuing PhD and after pursuing B.Ed. Guys, again I am telling you, PhD take lot of time and B.Ed it is not taking too much of time. It will give you quick job in teaching field. Now if you want to pursue B.Ed for 2021 and 22, so you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number. If you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. Guys, link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box. So do check the description box. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.